The power curber Halleffect is a position sensor used in a power curber machine to maintain the proper pitch and angle of the concrete pour system. This unit came to us mechanically damaged, and we were able to free it up and rebuild all the mechanicals. As shown in the video, we are testing the Halleffect sensor embedded in the housing, verifying the output changes as it should be based on the angle of the sensor. This unit came in from a road construction concrete company, and we had to assign it the name Halleffect, as there is no OEM number on the unit at all. We routinely receive items with no clear maker or no part number, but we still perform the repair and get our customers back running. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.